What's up, you guys? Today we are making the original beef steak burger. So I have Angus beef here, and let me show you. So this is the Angus beef. It's all boneless. It's a thin flap kind of cut. So we will take it, we will put it right here, the separate pan. So this is the 4 and this is the 5th. So I have 5 flaps, very skinny. So first of all, we will marinate this meat. So for the marination, use some black pepper. Okay, here some garlic powder, some red chili powder. Very easy recipe, guys. You can do that. I mean, you can get the cheeseburger, but it's all minced meat. But this recipe, I'm using all of the steak, the beef steak, so you can have the real flavor of the steak in there. Okay, let me show you this oil. So this is kind of a black seed oil. We'll put this right on top of our steak. Wear gloves. For now, I don't have any gloves at home, so they will just marinate this guy, the steak. Burgers, right? We all love burgers. It's a very easy recipe. You don't need a grill for it. You don't have to have a grill to make this burger. You can use just a pan, and you can fry the steak in a pan about for 4 minutes. Okay, as you guys can see how perfectly it's marinated now. Alright, it's all marinated. Now let's move on to the next bite. Take a tomato, make some slice of tomatoes. I'll be making 2 burgers in there. You guys can make 1, or you guys can make whole for a family or for your friends. We'll take an onion. Same as tomatoes, we will slice the onions. Just like that. Alright, remove the excess skin. Maybe first or 2 layers. So there you go. From these 2 excess layers, bye bye. We don't need you guys. It goes all here. Okay, done. Alright, heat up your pan, add some vegetable oil, or you can use a frying oil. Grab your steak here and just slide it here. Grab another one and just land it here. Grab another one and land it here. There you go. This is how it's gonna look. Alright, so it's been 30 seconds, so we'll flip it. The perfect color of the steak. So this will be a whole minute at this side. So it's been 1 minute at this side. Let's flip it. Let's flip it. And let's flip it. I have some cheddar cheese right here. We'll put 1 right there, 1 right here, and 1 right here. Alright, so as you guys can see, the steak has the cheese on top, and for now the steak is ready. We will take out and put it on the side. So here goes on the side. Now this one. So this is a non-stick pan, so you can use any kind of spoon in there. It's all fine. Okay, so here it is, our steak. So remember, we had the onions and the tomatoes, so we will give it a fry a little bit, so it don't have a raw flavor to it. Take your burger buns and put it right there as well, so they are not super cold while you chew on it. Alright, as you guys can see, it had got a little bit touch to it of the pan. So now let's build our burger. So this is the bottom pot, this is the top pot. Add some, you can use mayo, you can use, I'm using this, the mayochup, Heinz mayochup. It's like, it has the ketchup and the mayo, both mixed up. Put some mayo, have some cabbage, and we will try to use the inner part of the leaves. Okay, so here we will build it, a kind of a layer of leaves in our burger. Just like that. I'll add one more, just like this. As you guys can see, all done. Add a little bit more mayo. Grab your steak. I'm grabbing it with the knife. Okay, and put it right on top. Wow. I'm making this a double one. Oh wow. It's all done. Let's put some onions and tomatoes. So this is our tomato, and this is our onion. Tomato. Right on top. It's all done. You can even use the rings. Spread the rings right on top. Okay, all set. We will add another layer of mayo right here on top. And bam. How does it look, guys? Alright, so this is how it looks. The real steak burger. Yum, right? I still have a piece. Let me make another one, and it will be a revision for you guys as well. Mayo, very easy. Some leaves in there. I'm keep forgetting, it's chopped mayo actually. We'll take our steak and we will land it right on top. Okay, let me grab the onion tomatoes. Onion and tomato, so this has the single layer of the steak. Some mayo here, and boom, here you go. If you want to chop it, I mean, some people like it half and half. Here you go. This is the perfect, easy, the real meat burger. Alright friends, so this was the easy but the real steak burger. You can make some fries with that, or you can just have it just like this with a drink. Check how juicy it is. It's dripping. It has a tomato, the meat is juicy, and let me take this premium bite. Oh wow. Try this easy, simple, the real steak burger recipe at home, and you'll be amazed just by these simple ingredients. If you don't have the black seed oil, it's all fine. You can use just olive oil in there. Anyway guys, thank you, subscribe the channel, and I will see you very soon with another one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Alright, so this is how it looks. The real steak burger. Yum, right?